welcome you to the 2024 Youth Career Exploration event hosted by Weatherford College and sponsored by the North Texas Council of Governments and Workforce Solutions of North Central Texas and CBRE.
We bring in a whole bunch of youth from our high school and middle school area, approximately about 500 of them, and they will be exploring opportunities in workforce education and academics to determine what pathways that they may want to do in school that will lead them to vocational careers.
Workforce education and continuing education are extremely important. It gives an opportunity for students to go pretty much right into the workforce with a shorter program, and I think that really helps out.
We need to reach out to young people to let them know about the exciting opportunities we have in our technology fields, as well as to indicate to them how we can provide them support in their journey on their careers.
Weatherford College offers a lot when it comes to the workforce programs. It's pretty cool that within 16 weeks you can go from not being in this industry to potentially having a job when you get out of school.
I've seen a lot of happy students leaving and having conversations with employers with maybe a little bit more confidence and really learning more about potential career paths.
I hope that they walked away understanding that the world is wide open with lots of possibilities, and maybe they came away with a couple of ideas of what they might want to do in order to, live a full and actualized life.